After a gap of 1 year lockdown, the Shooting Association of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Northeast Small Finance Bank, conducted the 6th Meghalaya State Shooting Championship, which officially started on 26 February 2021. Earlier, on 25 February 2021, the 50M rifle prone .22 rifle was conducted, in which 7 shooters competed. The events that were held today were 25M Sports Pistol and 25M Standard Pistol at the 58 GTC shooting range, and 10M Air Rifle was held at 10M Precision Indoor Shooting Range at Demthring, Shillong. On the first day, there were 7 shooters for the 25M shooting range and 7 shooters for the 10M Indoor Shooting Range. The number of shooters per day has been adjusted to comply with the SOP so as to maintain social distancing norms. It may be recalled that the National Rifle Association of India has issued advisory to all the state association to initiate and complete the state championships by February 2021 so as to enable the National Federation to conduct the zonal and nationals within March or April 2021.